Hello, it's Maryon, and I just wanted to share a little secret with you because so many people have been asking me about how they get their sexy back, how they can rekindle their libido, which has gone south at the time of the menopause. And this little product, Lady Prelox, has been through clinical trials and shown that it helps to increase your libido. So I just wanted you to know about that. You can actually buy it online and you'll find that after a few months it should help you. I should add a caution: if you do have other little problems, dryness, you should address that first before you get your sexy back. But this certainly has lots of happy tales and happy endings, so you might like to try it.